Now, US President Donald Trump has announced a one-month exemption for automakers in Canada and Mexico from his new 25% tariffs, but only if they follow existing trade rules under the United States-Mexico-Canada agreement. The temporary relief comes after a phone call with the two leaders, whether it's Justin Trudeau as well as also Donald Trump, describing as somewhat of a friendly conversation. Auto stocks rebounded sharply after that announcement, but broader trade tensions remain with Canada and Mexico threatening retaliation. My colleague Maha Siddiqui joining us on the phone line. Of course, Maha, thank you so much for joining us from Vancouver. We did hear, Donald Trump rejecting an attempt by Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau to halt the 25% tariffs on products from Canada and Mexico, calling the efforts being made by Justin Trudeau not good enough. However, the auto sector has got a temporary relief of a month.
That's correct. And this conversation between the two, the first conversation after the 25% tariffs went into effect, and after they sent shockwaves in the stock markets, and also automakers then urging the US administration that they should at least waive some of the tariffs for them. These are for auto parts coming in from the Canadian side, which have now been granted some amount of relief. These are three car makers, General Motors, Ford, and Stellantis, that have got this exemption for a month. Now, this conversation between Prime Minister Justin Trudeau and Donald Trump, as I pointed out, lasted 50 minutes, after which there were conversations that continued between officials of both the sides. In fact, the Secretary of State, Marco Rubio, had a conversation with Melanie Joly, the Foreign Minister of Canada, as well. And they said that they discussed issues related to trade and broader cooperation between the two sides. Marco Rubio's statement from the State Department then saying that US does value the relationship with Canada and will work for broader relationship with the country.